Oh, welcome back. It's Friday morning, sitting here trying to do my job. I look out in the yard and there's no signs of Chewie. Wonder why that could be. Because he is currently trying to get in the house. It takes him a second to get through the dog door because he's just wide enough that he gets a little stuck. So I will have to go help him because once he's in this position, you can't go backwards because he puts his feet out. And the only thing I can do is tilt him to an angle. I can pull him through the door, and then we have to get him to go back out the door. So let's see what Chewie does. Hi, Chewie. You got yourself in one heck of a predicament there. You just want to be in the house where Dad and Vader are, huh? Yeah, let's get you unstuck. See, that's all we needed from Dad was just a little hand to get unstuck. I guess we'll let Chewie wander the house for a moment. He's trying really hard to get in here lately. I don't know if he's interested in me and Vader or wants the social aspect of it, or if he just sees us in the house and he wants in the house. He's just going to sit here now. Okay, well, this is going to be an interesting day. I got to get back to work. So, let's see what the tortoise is going to do, shall we? Chewie, please behave yourself. I got to get back to work. Alright, well, I'm back at work now. I kind of propped the camera up so you can kind of see him as he comes through my kitchen towards my desk. I'm prepared. I don't like him in here because he's going to use the house as a bathroom. But he's determined that he has to be in the house with me and Vader. I really... We are becoming better friends. Like, I can go up and pet him now. Usually, he'll pull in his shell when I first walk up. But after that, he does okay. Like, he's handling things quite well recently. This is all brand new to him. Usually, I stop him when he comes in the house. But I figure, what the heck? I'm still on restrictions for my surgery, so I can't pick him up by myself, and my mom's out doing her weekly errands like she always does on Friday morning. So I've got no one to help me get him out of the house. So we're just going to let him in, and I'll have to keep an eye on him for a little bit. I'll probably end up using food to get him to go out on his own again. Vader, move. Hi, Chew. Come here, Chewie. Come here. Is this all you want? You just want to be in here where everybody's at? Well, is that all you're looking for? Some companionship? Come here. Hi. You're okay. You're okay. Good boy. Good boy. You're okay. I'm trying to show everybody how we're becoming friends. You gonna let me show people that we're friends now? Oh, you just in a mood this morning? You're in a don't touch me, I don't want to be bothered mood? I'm letting you in the house, mister. Silly tortoise. What you doing there, Chewie? This is a whole new world for you, isn't it, bud? Exploring the inside of the house. See, when you do this, now the whole world's going to see how dirty the inside of the house floors look. Yeah, you're in here showing off everything now. just in here. Didn't think I was going to have my tortoise just roaming past my shrimp tanks. No, Chewie. Can we redirect, please? Can we redirect, please? Here, go that way. Go that way. You can't go under the table this way, but you got to turn. Oh, Chewie. All right, I had to do a manual redirection there because he was wanting to go towards the pool table. So normally this would not be allowed, but I'm kind of limited. I might get some, I got a red bell pepper. I was going to give him as a treat. It's nice and colorful, and he seems to react to the colorful things, so I might use that to try to lure him out. He's determined to go in here under the pool table right now. No, Chewie. There you go. You can go that way, I don't care. Maybe he's trying to come in here where Vader's at. Like, maybe he just wants Vader. Chewie. He's made it all the way in here by the front door, which is a place I never thought he'd be. I mean, he looks like he's coming in here to where Vader's at. Come here, Vader. Let's test something. Come here, buddy. Come over here. Good boy. Come here. Come here. You don't got to get up right now. Nope, Chewie's still going the other way. I thought he was going to follow you, maybe. Vader, come. Good boy. Yes, you are. Look, he's turning towards you. Where you going there, Mr. Chewie? I got to get back to my computer, bud. I mean, I can take a small break here and there, but this is getting a little ridiculous. Nope, keep on trucking. You don't need to try and get underneath stuff. My house is not tortoise proofed. There you go. You made a full circle around the pool table. Now we're going to go down the hallway. There he goes. Off to cause more trouble in the next room. You can see part of my obsession in life. Star Wars Legos. vehicle sets in particular in the background. I'll do a video on those one day. I got to clean the shelves off and get them all looking good again. But yes, I've got quite the collection there. And it even goes on to the other side of the room. So I'll show that off one day. Not today. Today we're just following a tortoise through the house. Nope, you don't fit through there. Keep going. Make good decisions. Make good decisions. There you go. That would be awesome if he actually walks through this room and goes right back out the door. The other day he did. He came in here 2 days ago, I think it was, and went from there all the way over to this corner, and then he went back out on his own. I was quite surprised. I didn't have to call anyone for help. No, you can't fit under the coffee table. Please don't try. Please don't try. Go around it. Make smart decisions. There you go. Good boy, Chewie. Let's see if we can get you to come back out. Come here, Chewie. You actually gonna do it? This will be amazing. Vader, watch out. Let me get a piece of lettuce and see if I can coax him the rest of the way. Vader, move. Is it actually going to work? That's a good boy, Chewie. Make Dad's life a little bit easier. No, make good decisions. Good decisions come out the door. Come on. Good decisions come out the door. Come on. No. This way. Come on. Come on. Good boy, Chewie. Smart decision. Want your lettuce? There you go, bud. Go get your lettuce. Well, there's a little unplanned Chewie update for you all. He decided to come in the house and do a lap. Stay tuned for more.